Hi, I'm Josh Ledgard, and I'm one of the founders at KickoffLabs. You just created a campaign using the Popup contest box. That's great, and it supports all the campaign types at KickoffLabs. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the dashboard for this type of campaign and what comes next for you in setting it up. You've got the campaigns link here that'll take you back to all the campaigns in your account. The link here is the name of your campaign, and this link will always take you back to this dashboard that you're seeing right in front of you. Over here, we've got the leads list, a list of reports for your campaign, and a quick access to all of the settings, including scoring, actions for your campaign, rewards, messaging, integrations, and all of the other settings within KickoffLabs. Let's go back to the campaign dashboard to start. On the campaign dashboard, you'll see there are three links at the top. The first thing, and probably the most important thing that you want to get to, is designing your pop-up box. So when I go to design it, you'll come into the pop-up box designer, and you can change the mode, the text that you would see, the images, the colors that you would see here. You can add and remove elements from the form, so you could add a phone number form field. You can change or localize all of the text for the campaign. And then you can also get a quick link to installing the pop-up box. In the case of a pop-up box, you only need to install the first script. The second script would embed it as just an embedded box within the campaign, but you created a pop-up box campaign. So let's go back to the dashboard and look at what's next after you've edited your contest box. Back on the dashboard, the next thing you'll see is to set scoring. As you'll notice, if you looked at the contest box, which we have a preview of on the right side, there's a set of actions that we've pre-configured for your campaign type. These will look different for your specific campaign. Actions can be modified underneath the scoring. So we'll take you directly to the Actions tab under Contest Scoring, where you can change the order of these actions, you can add new actions, or you could edit the existing actions that we've recommended for your campaign type. So here I could go in and say, oh, refer friends on Facebook. I could change the text there, change the number of points people get for an action, or delete the action. Going back to this, the other tabs here would include, you could track purchases for points, and you could tag people with custom actions, like maybe they signed up or downloaded your app, and you want to give people custom points via a lead tag here. Next, I want to talk about email. So after someone signs up, it's pretty popular to send them a message. We support a bunch of different types of messaging, including broadcasts, verification mails, reward level mails, which we'll get into, text messaging, but let's talk about the automatic reply email. Here, you would change this to send every time a lead signs up. You might want to edit the email subject to talk about your specific campaign, and you probably want to personalize it to say that this is from your team. Save those settings, and now we'll be sending an automatic reply email with this campaign. Next, let's talk about reward levels. So reward levels are not included in every campaign, but this is the set of things that you would see in the contest box where people could earn specific things like free shipping, 30% off an order, or maybe a free t-shirt with their next order, or whatever you want to give them for reward. For wait lists, it might be good to say you get instant access for referring 10 friends. I could go on, but you can go in here, edit rewards. You can add another reward. Let's just say this one be 20 points. I could pick an image, some text for the reward. I can choose to send leads to them when they achieve this reward, which could include coupon codes. And I could be notified when somebody reaches this reward level. Let's choose all of those things, create the new reward, back to our dashboard, and now you can see that the reward level is now here on the dashboard. Let's check out what else is on the page. Down here, you'll see the installation script for the contest box. You only need, again, the top script. You'll also see that we've added a landing page specifically for the box. This is great just for sharing the box or having a dedicated place for people to go to for your competition. You don't need to use it, but it's always there, and you could edit it and add text or more context around the box for your specific campaign. That's just a few of the features that you'll find within KickoffLabs. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tour. If you have any questions, don't forget to reach out to support@kickofflabs.com by sending us an email, and we'll be happy to answer them and get back to you.